Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool couple video edit on CapCut. So you'll need 3 pictures for this. You'll also need an audio for this, but I can't play the audio right now. You can also choose any audio you'd like, of course. And I'm just going to show you how it goes. So in the middle of the photo, you're just going to split it, and you can also split it on beat, but as you can see, I'm not using any audio right now. And on the second video, you're going to go to filters, and you are going to add black and white. Oh, actually, you're going to add it to the first picture. Sorry. You're going to add it to the first picture, and you're going to do that to all of the pictures. So I'm just going to split this one in half too, and I'm also going to do that to this one. I'm going to split it in half like so, and only add the black and white pictures to the first picture, of course. And then after that, you are going to add in emojis. So go to text and add text. And on the first picture, you're going to add a broken heart emoji. It's up to you where you want to put it, but I'm just going to put it in the middle like so, and only have it to the first half of the video. And on the second half, you're going to copy that, and then you're going to replace that. Okay, this is really annoying. Okay, and you're going to replace that emoji with a healed heart. So go to add text. Go to the text and select the healed heart emoji like that. And then on the second one, you're going to copy it like the text, and then you're going to change it to this person one. I don't know, just here. Okay, it's this one. And then you're going to copy that again, and then change it to the hugging one, this one. And then after that, you're going to copy it. This is the last one, don't worry. You're almost there. You're going to then change it to the battery one. This one, like the low battery one. Let's delete that arrow. That one, and then you're going to copy and paste it into the charged battery one. Charged. This one. There you go. And this is what it will look like in the end. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!